Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Over the past few years, some of the hottest buzzwords in tech have been AI, big data, and large language models. Investors, entrepreneurs, and media outlets are all chasing after GPT, Gemini, Grok, but have you ever considered this? The AI that will truly transform our daily lives may not be these giant cloud-based superbrains, but rather the tiny models quietly working inside your phone, your kitchen fridge, or even your smartwatch. Today, we're diving into the question: why are small AI models the real final solution that will become part of our everyday lives? Let's quickly clear up some key concepts. What are big data and wide data? You've probably heard of big data, and maybe recently come across wide data. But what's the difference? Big data refers to huge, ever-growing, and diverse data collections. It can come from social media, transaction logs, sensors, videos, structured, like Excel spreadsheets, or unstructured, like video, conversations, or images. Wide data goes further. It allows analysts to combine data from different sources, formats, and sizes to extract deeper insights. And here's the big takeaway: the volume, speed, and complexity of data processed by AI are growing exponentially. So here's the real question: what is small data, and why does it matter? Do you need massive big data just to use AI? Of course not. This brings us to today's real protagonist, small data. Small data refers to information from specific use cases, individual devices, or targeted problems. It's usually more structured, easier to manage, and closer to real life. For example, your smartwatch tracking your heart rate, steps, and sleep daily. Your coffee machine logging brew preferences and water usage. Your phone recording how often and how long you use an app. These are all small data. They don't need cloud processing, and yet they're incredibly valuable. Let's now talk about AI models themselves. Well, small models equals real-world AI. Everyone's discussing large models like GPT-4 and Gemini 2.0, with hundreds of billions of parameters and massive memory requirements. Running these models needs powerful servers and cloud infrastructure. But think about the AI you actually need in daily life. It's far simpler. A robot vacuum that avoids shoes and carpets. A car that can park itself without your care. A fridge that reminds you when your food is about to expire. These tasks don't need huge models. They can be handled by lightweight, local, real-time small models. Let's make it concrete with a few real-life scenarios where small models shine. Scenario 1: smart cars. You don't need the full GPT model running in your car. You just want it to recognize traffic lights, understand, navigate to the nearest gas station, brake automatically at crosswalks. These can be done with small models. And local processing reduces lag and increases safety. Scenario 2: smart kitchen robots. You say, "Alexa, preheat the oven." She doesn't need to understand Shakespeare or debate philosophy. She just needs to recognize your command and trigger the action. Scenario 3: smart farming. Did you know that in Japan and the Netherlands, agricultural robots are quietly transforming farming? For example, with just a Raspberry Pi and a small AI model, an agri-device can auto-water plants based on sunlight and humidity, detect leaf discoloration and alert for diseases, analyze lighting and temperature to predict harvests. All this is processed locally on the field. No need for cloud access, meaning lower latency, higher safety, and reduced costs. There are two key tech terms that you'll hear more and more. Edge AI. This means running AI directly on your device, like phones, laptops, cars, smart locks, rather than on the cloud. TinyML. Tiny machine learning refers to ultra-lightweight AI models that run on microcontrollers, extremely low-power devices. Think of it like AI that can run off a power bank and still perform surprisingly well. Why do we say small models are awesome? Privacy first. Your personal data stays on your device. AI processes locally, no need to call the cloud. Low latency, instant response in voice or vision tasks. Even works offline. Energy efficient. Compared to giant models, small models save power, cost, and carbon emissions. Highly customizable. Businesses and individuals can fine-tune small models for their specific devices and needs. Let's be clear. Small is not equal to weak. Small models is not equal to weak AI. They're purpose-built to handle very specific, real-world tasks. Like how a chef doesn't need an entire modern kitchen to make a great dish, just a sharp knife and a good pan. With AI, precision matters more than size. This is the magic combo for the golden future: small model plus big data. Small AI. Big effect. Some might ask, so, don't we need large models anymore? Not at all. The future lies in a hybrid strategy. Train on large models. Deploy with small models. You can use big models in the cloud to learn global knowledge, languages, facts, best practices. Then, distill that wisdom into a lightweight small model you download to your device. Think of it this way. The cloud model is the wise professor. The small model is the student taking clean, concise notes. And that notebook model is the AI in your pocket. Let's sum it up. The smartest AI isn't necessarily the biggest. Today's AI is powerful. But big doesn't mean suitable for everyone. Small models are the ones entering your life, your pockets, your cars, your kitchens. More developers and companies are building elegant, focused small and smart AI tools. Though, the best AI for you isn't the smartest one. It's the one that fits you best. Are you currently using any small AI tools? Ever thought of training your own small model? What applications do you think small models are perfect for? Drop your ideas in the comments. If you enjoy Tech Plus practical applications plus explainer-style content, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video.